I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I check my passport.
I check my passport.
I book a ticket.
I book a ticket.
I buy a plane ticket.
I buy a plane ticket.
I plan my trip.
I plan my trip.
I make a travel list.
I make a travel list.
I need a visa to travel.
I need a visa to travel.
I confirm my booking.
I confirm my booking.
I check the weather.
I check the weather.
I choose my destination.
I choose my destination.
I go to the airport.
I go to the airport.
I take a train to the city.
I take a train to the city.
I ride a bus to the hotel.
I ride a bus to the hotel.
I travel by car.
I travel by car.
I take a taxi to the station.
I take a taxi to the station.
I fly on an airplane.
I fly on an airplane.
I ride a bicycle in the park.
I ride a bicycle in the park.
I take a boat on the river.
I take a boat on the river.
I walk to the market.
I walk to the market.
I wait for the bus at the stop.
I wait for the bus at the stop.
I check in at the counter.
I check in at the counter.
I get my boarding pass.
I get my boarding pass.
I show my passport.
I show my passport.
I go through security.
I go through security.
I wait at the gate.
I wait at the gate.
I board the plane.
I board the plane.
I put my bag in the overhead bin.
I put my bag in the overhead bin.
I find my seat near the window.
I find my seat near the window.
I listen to the safety instructions.
I listen to the safety instructions.
I fasten my seatbelt.
I fasten my seatbelt.
I check into my room.
I check into my room.
I ask for the room key.
I ask for the room key.
I put my luggage in the room.
I put my luggage in the room.
I call the front desk for help.
I call the front desk for help.
I ask for extra towels.
I ask for extra towels.
I look at the view from the window.
I ask for extra towels.
I eat breakfast in the hotel.
I eat breakfast in the hotel.
I rest after my trip.
I rest after my trip.
I use the Wi-Fi at the hotel.
I use the Wi-Fi at the hotel.
I leave my room key at the desk.
I leave my room key at the desk.
I visit a museum.
I visit a museum.
I take photos of the scenery.
I take photos of the scenery.
I eat at a local restaurant.
I eat at a local restaurant.
I buy souvenirs for my family.
I buy souvenirs for my family.
I enjoy the beach.
I enjoy the beach.
I climb a mountain.
I climb a mountain.
I explore the city by foot.
I explore the city by foot.
I meet new people.
I meet new people.
I learn about the culture.
I learn about the culture.
I have fun on my trip.
I learn about the culture. I open my eyes in the morning.
I open my eyes in the morning.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I make coffee or tea.
I make coffee or tea.
I read the news on my phone.
I read the news on my phone.
I pack my bag for work.
I pack my bag for work.
I leave my house.
I leave my house.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I catch the bus to work.
I catch the bus to work. I arrive at work or school.
I arrive at work or school.
I greet my coworkers or classmates.
I greet my coworkers or classmates.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I attend a meeting.
I attend a meeting.
I answer phone calls.
I answer phone